We have two caves here. The jungle cave, the tree house cave. Okay. So let us learn about jungle cave. This cave is in a town. It is in a town. The cave is inside a building, but it looks like a jungle. You can see there the interior part is completely decorated with the birds, okay, and some animals, even monkey on the tree. Yes, children, are you able to see? Show me thumb. Yes. So the picture itself is showing that the cave is in the jungle. Ashrita, you don't have book? Look into your book then. Look into your book. Yes. But it looks like a jungle. You can hear jungle birds and insects. You can see some jungle animals and some fish. There is a menu for adults and a menu for children. The food is delicious. Children, when we go to a restaurant or when we go to have a tea or coffee, yes, in the cave, so we'll get a menu. What is the meaning of menu? Do you know what is the meaning of menu? Who knows that? Okay, Misbah knows that. Yes, Misbah.
Ma'am, there will be lunch names.
Yeah, there will be the names of some food items. Yes, we'll get a list of some food items. So we can select page number 120 of Global English. Yes, Advait Aryan. You can hear the sounds of some birds, insects. Okay. And there are some jungle animals like monkey and snakes you can see there. Okay, so it gives the outlook of a jungle. Complete, it is looking like a jungle. I'll show you one picture. One more, you can see here. See, it is also a type of cave in a jungle. Complete trees are there. You can see. We feel like we are sitting in a jungle and having our lunch or dinner. And see this, beside this picture, you have a cave on the tree, the tree house cave. Very nice, no? On the tree, you have a cave, cafe. What do you have on the tree? You just tell me what do you have on the tree? Cafe. Read it. So many doubts. Just one. Cafe. Come on, tell me. Unmute yourself and pronounce it. Cafe.
Cafe.
Cafe. Cafe. Cafe. Cafe. Aditya Ram, sit down. Yes, cafe. Cafe. Yes, cafe. Cafe. Okay, fine. Cafe. So the jungle cafe. This cafe is in a town. Where is the jungle? Where is the jungle cafe? Tell me where it is. Where is the jungle cafe?
Town.
Town. And yes, and the cafe is inside a building. Where it is? It is inside a building, and it looks like a the jungle cave. The jungle cafe looks like a Pathan. You are not answering. Come on.
Look like a jungle.
Ah, it looks like a jungle. Very good. And what can you hear in the cafe? What can you hear in the cafe?
Animal sound.
Pathan, unmute yourself. Yeah,
Animal
animal sounds.
sound.
Yes, animal sounds and animal sounds or bird sounds. What sounds you can
Bird
hear there?
sound.
Ah,
Bird
birds
sound.
and insect sounds. What type of sounds you can hear there?
Birds and
Yes,
insects.
birds and insects. And what type of animals? And what are the other things you can see in the jungle cafe?
So many animals.
Jungle animals and some fish. Some fish, yes. Now, yes, if you enter a cafe, first what the first thing you will get on your table?
Menu.
Yes, very good, menu. And what is menu here?
Menu is so many things to eat.
List of food items you can tell.
Yeah.
What is the menu?
List
Tell
of-
me. Dhriti,
list of
Adya
food
Pooja,
items.
Ashrita, Gautam are not answering. What is menu?
List of food items.
Yeah, list of food items. Very good. Yes. And next now let us see the Treehouse Cafe. The Treehouse Cafe. The cafe is in the countryside. Yes, countryside. The cafe is outside. In fact, it's in a tree house. To get to the cafe, you walk up some stairs, then you climb up a ladder. You can hold the railing while you climb. Children, if you want to go to a treehouse cafe, what is the first thing you have to do? You have to climb the stairs. Yes, you have to climb the stairs. You can take the support of railing. What is railing? Do you know? Do you know what is a railing? Do you know? Yeah. Tell me.
That helps to walk on step. We walk on. That helps to
Yes.
climb.
Kanishka.
Climb steps.
Yes,
That helps
yes.
to climb.
Yeah, the railing helps us to climb out. Yes, very good. So it gives us support and help to climb the steps. You can hold the railing, the support which helps us to climb the stairs. Okay, so railing, while you have to hold the railing while you climb. Then you can hear the musician playing the guitar. Wow, so nice, no? You went there to lunch and you can hear a beautiful music also. A guitar, a man is playing a guitar there. You can enjoy the music when you are having your lunch or dinner. Yes, can you see there in the picture a man playing guitar? Guitar, yes. Can you play guitar? Show me. You act like playing a guitar. Yes, a man in the cafe is also playing a guitar. Very good. The Pathan is enjoying there. Huh? Krishika ji, very good, very good. Okay. So you can sit and look up at the trees or down at the ground. The cafe is open in summer and closed in winter. The cafe is open only in the treehouse cafe is open only in which season, children? It is open in which season? Tell me. Summer season. And closed in?
Summer season. Winter season.
Yes.
Summer and winter.
Very good. Summer and winter.
Cafe is open in summer, closed in summer.
Ah,
Closed in winter.
yes. So now, where is this the treehouse cafe?
The tree house cafe is in the tree house. Tree house.
Yeah. Is it in a town or a countryside?
Town. No, it's in
No,
the tree house.
it is in a countryside.
Countryside.
It is in a countryside. And what is the meaning of countryside? The land of a rural area. Okay. The land of a rural area. What is a countryside? You can tell like a village, rural areas. Okay. And town. Where is the jungle cafe? It is in the town. Children, tell me, where is the jungle cafe?
Town. Town.
Yes.
Town.
Yes. Town is also a village. You can tell a village smaller than a city. It's not a city. It is smaller than a city. Okay. Town. See, Krishika ji is playing guitar. Yes, Krishika ji. Can you play? Can you play once again?
इसके पास
Very good, very good. So this is a guitar. Good, good, Krishika. Music. We heard the music of guitar also now. Yes? Yes. Thank you, Krishika. Okay. So children, yes. So children, now tell me. Yes, Shreyas. Yes, Shreyas. Okay, nothing. Okay. So now, how many cafe we have discussed now? Tell me. How many cafes? Two. What are the names of those cafes? Come on, tell me. Yeah, the jungle.
House cafe. One is tree house cafe.
Yes, the one is the jungle cafe and next is the tree house cafe. Okay, so the jungle cafe is in a town and tree house cafe is in the countryside. It is in a countryside. Very good.
Town and the countryside.
Yes. So now see which cafe. Here we have some questions. Page number 123 of your Global English. Get ready with the pencil. Get ready with the pencil.
Page number
121.
okay, ma'am. It is in a building. 121, ma'am.
Yes, 121.
You can hear music there.
Now, say which cafe each sentence is about. The jungle cafe or the tree house cafe or both cafes. Now see, it is inside a building.
Ma'am.
It is inside a building. Which cafe is that?
Jungle.
Jungle cafe. The jungle cafe. So you write there. You write there the jungle cafe beside the first one, number 1. You write the jungle cafe there.
Ma'am, what is the page number?
121.
Jungle cafe.
It is inside a building.
Jungle.
So like this it is there, no children? You can look at the screen. It is
Jungle cafe.
it
Yes,
is
ma'am.
inside a
It's like
building.
that.
So you have to write here the jungle cafe. Okay. Next it down. Second one you can see number 2. What do we have? Number 2 question. It is closed in winter. It is closed in winter. Now you tell me which cafe is that?
Tree house.
Yeah, the Tree House Cafe. Come on, right there. Yes, the Tree House. Yes, the Tree House Cafe. Next, the third one, you can hear music there. Yes, you can hear music there. The Tree House Cafe, very good.
Ma'am, we should write in our notebook.
No, don't write in a notebook. In textbook only.
Next page number.
121.
What is the page number?
Oh my God, now you are asking me the page number. How many times I told you? 121 page number.
121.
The Tree House. Next, fourth one. What is the fourth one? You must climb up. You must climb up a ladder. Get there. What type of house is that? You must climb there. Yes. Tree house. The Tree House Cafe.
The tree.
And the fifth one.
house cafe.
What is the fifth one? You can see leaves and branches.
Don't see leaves. Ma'am, jungle cafe.
Yes. The jungle.
The
Jungle Cafe. Now,
What's the
six.
page number? 126. You can.
121 is the page number. Question number 2. Which cafe?
Ma'am,
Yes, Aslan.
what is the page number?
Aslan, how many times I have to repeat, Aslan? 121 is the page number of Global English, Aslan.
Ma'am, Jungle Cafe. 61, ma'am.
Yes. You can watch the fish. The Jungle.
Jungle Cafe, ma'am.
Yes, the Jungle Cafe. Very good.
The Jungle Cafe.
See, all the red color sentences are the answers you have to write in the textbook. Done, everyone?
Done.
Very easy, no?
Yes, ma'am.
This you will get in your GA. Multiple choice questions. The sentence will be given. You have to find out which jungle, which cafe is it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Sentence belongs to which cafe? You have to find out. You will be asked this type of questions even in the exam. So you should get ready for that.
Ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes?
we should write it in page number 121.
Yes.
But where, ma'am?
Where are the questions, Akshat? Question number 2, you see?
Yes, ma'am. Which cafe?
Yes. So the first one is, it is inside a building. Beside that, you write the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
AVK Ganesh, are you writing? Azlan, are you writing, Azlan?
Ma'am, I completed.
Okay. Adya Gujja, done? Ashwita Nalla, Manvit Raj, Pathan?
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, I am writing. Please wait for 2 minutes, ma'am.
Make it fast, make it fast. And now, children, listen. Beside these questions, you have a menu also. Can you see on the page number 121, there is a menu? Food
Yes,
and drinks.
ma'am.
Yes, food. We have food, list of food items and list of cool drinks also. Yes. So here, cake, pizza, chips, ice cream, fruit salad, and drinks you have milkshake, fizzy drinks, and fruit tea, smoothies, hot chocolate. So these are all the drinks you have. Now, children, what you have to do is, in your course book page number 17, there is a menu. A menu is given to you. You imagine page number 17, beta 17. Ashwita Nalla, stop playing with the sharp objects. Don't play with scissors. Okay, now see. Group C, imagine you are an owner of a cafe. Wow, children, you are going to open a cafe now. Imagine that you are going to open a cafe, and what are the things you want to put in your cafe? See here, what food and drinks will you plan in the menu of your cafe? Make a menu in the space given below. Note, ideas can be taken from the picture the picture dictionary provided on page 138 of the Text Global English. 138 page number, if you open, you can open page number 138 of Global English. There are some food items and drinks. Yes, are you able to see there?
Yes, ma'am.
So many food items are there and so many drinks are there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You can select, if you want to select anything from here, you can select and you can make a menu of your own. What
Okay,
food
ma'am.
items you want to put in your cafe? What type of drinks you want to
Ma'am,
put in your cafe?
Ma'am, cake.
Or see, if you want to put any other things also, you can keep. Here we don't have cake, so you can add cake. Oh, we have cake also in this page. Okay, so you can
Ma'am,
add any. You can add. You can add not only from the page number 138, you can also take some other food items and drinks which you need. Okay. Very interesting homework, no children?
Ma'am, ma'am, it is homework.
Yeah, that's a homework for you.
Ma'am, okay.
You have to
I will
make a
put-
menu of your own.
Ma'am, okay, I will put vegetable. Ma'am, we ourselves we will make a menu and we will write in a notebook.
Not in a notebook, not in a notebook.
Only-
In the course
only-
book, page number
only in course
17.
book?
Yes. Course book, page number 17. There are few
Yeah.
lines. Few lines are given, no children?
Yes, ma'am.
So you should write
Drinks
in the,
and
yes, you should
food.
write in those lines. How many food items you
Okay.
want to put in your menu? How many drinks you want to put in your menu? That you
Ma'am.
have to write here on the page number 17 of your course book. Is your homework interesting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can prepare your own menu, right?
Yes. Ma'am, ma'am,